fidgets that are worth it. First I got the squishy. Now it's not worth it. I have a lot of squishy, so I can't do it in all in one video. I have this Pop-It. Yeah, it is worth it. Then I have this. It's worth it too. And then I have this. It's not worth it. Because that's possible. I have another Pop-It. It's Among Us. It's worth it. Mochis. It's so worth it. It's not that worth it. That's not worth it. Then I have this Infinity Cube. It's worth it. Then I have this squishy. It's not worth it. Bye! Just one more. Yep, worth it. Bye!